28-pin Ford Transit Connect. We are changing out the radio. Customer purchased an Android radio. First thing you're gonna do is pull this upward, pull forward like this. It comes out. There is a hook right there, so it has to up and pull this way to release. And there are torx number 20 screws right there, 2 of them. We're gonna take that out, and the face should come out. Those are torx number 20. So once you have them out, the entire bezel should come out. So just disconnect the wires. And there are 2 torx number screws, just like number 25 or 30. Wait, that we may not have to take that out. We are taking the top monitor out because the backup cam, factory backup cam, is connected to the top one. So we got to take the signal off that. It comes out together. We're going to have to integrate a module for the backup cam there. Push the little locking tab to release. So, plugs. These are the CAN bus harnesses with a module. These all should plug in one way. This is an Android radio. So I believe these 2-pin connectors are CAN bus. It is a backup cam plug that plugs into the factory harness.
This is the canvas from the radio. Canvas signal.
That 2-pin wire is very important to have. Without that 2-pin wire, well, actually that's like a 6-pin plug. The functions for the car side is not going to be enabled. Still got more connections here, but we're just going to see if everything works. Backup cam does work. Now, the reason that it's all scrambled because it's set on European settings. We're going to get to it later. So, no, that's not it. We got to go to the. No, we got to go to the main settings on it. The settings, factory settings, 8888 is the code. And we go to the reverse scan option there. You got it set for reverse scan option. Scroll down, look for the reverse scan resolution settings, and right there's the first one is NTSC. So the European is power. We got to go to NTSC, then we should be able to get the video. Voila. So if, without setting that NTSC, it will be all scrambled. So be sure to set that. Okay, so the backup cam does work. There are many other settings besides the backup cam. I wouldn't touch any of those functions if you don't know. So go back out. So there should be video there. Seems to be working except we got no audio, so we're gonna find out why. Okay, so audio does work.
The whole movie takes place at a huge company.
Audio and video is kind of low, but I guess That's the way it is. Okay, so we're just gonna take the air vent, switches off, transfer over to new radio. You're just gonna simply take the all the clips off and put it on the back of the new dash cam. So you're just gonna simply push that hazard switch back in. Yeah, just pushes in. So we don't have anything to put in. It comes with a little dummy panel. We're just gonna put that in. And the tabs, and the air vent comes out.
Be careful.
Make sure to bend this away like that, and the air vent comes out together. Should just snap in. No special tools required. Just line up straight. Just push in. Works. The biggest trouble with this aftermarket Android radio is how to get to the settings, and then once you get to the settings, how to change out the settings for the backup camera resolution, because there is no manual comes with these radios, and I spent so much time trying to figure it out how to, and I found out the settings on all these Android radio from China are the same. So you go into the home, push the screen all the way, go to the car settings. This stupid thing is okay. So you go to the factory settings and hit 8888, and you go to the protocol right here, first one to the right, and you go down and look for reverse video resolution settings right here. So right here it shows ntsc, which is the first choice, but most of them they come with other settings. That's why the video is all scrambled, because these are higher resolution cams, but the factory one is not. So make sure you choose the ntsc up here, and you hit cancel, go back out, and once you put it in reverse after that, and that the camera comes to life. Before, everything was all scrambled. Now it's all good. So next step, once you transfer the air vent, is pull out these metal clips, and that actually holds the radio in place. So you got to take them out from factory bezel, put it onto the new bezel. Now, the factory small monitor cannot go back in here because they give you a little pocket here. So you don't need it. The whole car information shows right here. So you don't need to have that little monitor. Simply push that in. That's it. That should do it. I gotta put this back.
Hit makers of the summer. C100 Summer Bash.
New York's #1 hit
New York Radio Music Festival, presented by Capital One.
starring Big Sean, Camila Cabello, Doja Cat, Dua Lipa, Gwen Stefani,